Hello students, welcome back to my channel Conceptual Learning. So today we are going to see the other two topics of the HRM, as we have completed the human resource management introduction and the definition, and also we have seen the evolution of the HRM. Today we are going to cover these two topics. If possible, I'll cover these two topics in one video only. Otherwise, only in nature of HRM we are going to see. Okay, let us focus here. So what is the nature of the HRM? Basically, we have seen in the meaning of the HRM, human resource management. The definition we have also covered. So what is HRM? Studying about the human resource management concept in a detailed way is only called as the nature of the HRM. So to know the human resource management in a detailed way, that is called as the nature of the HRM. So the different kind of the 10 points are covered here, which is helpful for us to know the HRM in a detailed way. Okay, which is nature of HRM. First point is the integral part of the process of the management. So what it is saying, we cannot separate the human resource management from the process of the management, because management is nothing but planning, organizing, staffing, okay, coordinating and controlling. We will apply this management concept on the human resource. That's why we cannot separate the management and the human resource management. Whatever the people or the employees present in our organization, we are going to manage them also, we are going to plan them also, we are going to frame the policies according and plan them in advance, okay, to fulfill the requirement of the organization. In that process also we will apply the managemental tools like planning, organizing, staffing, all those functions we will perform on the human resource also. That's why it is saying that human resource management is the integral process of the management only. Okay, so that is the first point meaning. Next one is the comprehensive function. What do you mean by comprehensive function? They are saying that a human resource management is a comprehensive function. That means comprehensive function means this human resource management discipline will apply to the all the levels of the people in the organization. That means we can apply this human resource management not only on the employees, not only on the laborers, but we can use this human resource management. That means, see, the wherever the people are present in the organization, we are going to manage them. So that means people may be present at the supervisory level, or people may be present at the officer level or the manager level. Both at the officers, on the officers, supervisors, workers, managers, we are going to apply this function, because they are also human beings. That's why this human resource management is a comprehensive function. Comprehensive function means we will apply this human resource management tool on all the levels of the people in the organization. So that is the meaning. Next one, it is a pervasive function. Pervasive function means we are going to use this human resource management topic in all kinds of the industries. Like in the production, we can, in the production department, like in the production functional area. Functional area here is nothing but the department only. We are using the human resource management in the production department, in the marketing department, in the finance, in the research, on everything. Wherever the human beings are present, in all those departments we are going to use this human resource management function. So that's why it is called as a pervasive function. It is a comprehensive because it is applicable to the all levels of the people in the organization. It is pervasive because we are going to apply this human resource on all kind of the departments in the organization and all kind of the different kind of the industries. In wherever this human resource are present in the organization, in all those kind of the industries, we are applying this discipline. So the next point is people oriented. The human resource management subject is yes, we are dealing with the human resource, so that's why it is a people oriented, very simple one. Next one, it is based on the human relations. Yes, of course, the human resource concept is based on the human relations only. We will consider the human relations in the process of the management. That's why it is based on the human relations. For example, we will consider the employee satisfaction, employee growth, okay, and we will also provide the solutions for the employees stress also. The human resource manager considers all those things. So that's why we are dealing not only with the human resource as a factors of the production of our organization, but we are also considering the human beings. Okay, now we are also considering the welfare of the human beings. We are also considering the relation with the human beings. That's why it is called, it is based on the human relations. Okay, next one is a continuous process. Obviously human resource is a continuous process because it is never ending process, because we are human human resource management itself only never ending process. That means management is nothing but planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. If after controlling is nothing but we will check whether our policies and practices whatever implemented in our organization are going according to our plan or not. Okay, this checking is only called as the controlling. After controlling, what we will do, again if any need arises for the human resource in our organization, then again we will plan the human resource, again we will go for the planning, organizing. So this is a continuous process. For example, if your organization is having 100 laborers, only 8 are working skillfully, you remove the 20. In the place of the 20, again you have to replace the 20 employees, right, 20 laborers. So that means again you are planning for you are checking whether these people are working according to your policies or not. If they are not working, then your policies are not implementing according to your expectation. Then what you will do, you will employ, again you will remove these 20 laborers, and instead of these 20 laborers you will employ the again 20 skillful person. That means you are planning the replacing is nothing but again you are planning for the 20 laborers, yes or no. That means after controlling, again comes to the planning, again comes to the organization. So this is a continuous process, this is a never ending process. Okay, next one is HRM is a science as well as a art. Here it is saying yes, it is a science and it is a art, because we will consider the policies, theorems whatever given in this HRM discipline, and we will try to implement those policies, theorems in our organization. That means we are using the definite science, definite theorems. Okay, that definiteness, whenever the theory is giving in a definite way, then it is called as a science, and if we are applying that definite theory, then it is called as art. So HRM is both science and also the art. Okay, next one is a recent origin. Of course, this subject has been developed in the 19th century, very recent, very young discipline this is. So that's why it is a very recent origin. Next one, it is interdisciplinary. Yes, definitely human resource management subject focuses on the psychology, sociology, because we are dealing with the human beings. We have to consider the psychological aspects also, we have to consider the sociological aspects also. That's why it is interdisciplinary. Okay, next one, it is basic to all the functional areas. Of course, human resource management is very basic to all the functional areas, because this is not a particular department. Okay, now human resource management is not only a single department, but it also focuses on all other functional areas, managers also. That's why it is basic to all the functional areas. For example, human resource manager not only, of course he focuses on all the human resource in the organization, but he makes all the function, all the department managers to focus on their department. Okay, first in the production department, production manager has to do the management of his department employees. So the human resource manager is not constrained, it is not a single department, it is basic, it considers all other departments, it makes all other departmental managers to focus on their personnel. That's why it is basic to all the functional area. So this is about the nature of the HRM. I think it is very easy and clear to you all. Even if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. We will discuss the scope of the HRM in the next video. Thank you.